Good morning, Grandma Freeman here. This concrete came out of the ground because my son is putting up a new fence in the front. And along the side over here, it's the beginning of a new fence. This fence probably will take a while to complete. We're not sure how far we can go. This is the gate that he's been building. He's going to fasten it to the brick over here. He's going to put some boards up there and screw them into the brick wall. This is going to how it looks on the inside, and this is as far as we can go now. We do have some holes in the fence at the bottom where it has rotten away, and so my son is going to put, Jim is going to put up some boards along the bottom to close it in, because our neighbor has a little dog, and that way it won't come through the holes. There's another hole here, and I guess we'll go down maybe, I'm not sure, maybe there's a little opening there. We may go down to about, look at the butterfly. Look at that. Is that a monarch? It looks like a monarch. We get them. It's down here in Texas. They're famous in California. Not quite sure about that, but it looks like one. Okay. So we may go down to about that little opening, that little gap there. We've got about 8 extra boards this size. That way we can keep this fence for a while longer. It's so expensive. Lumber is so expensive. Fence lumber is just, it really adds up. And you know, we have this great big yard to refence. And he did the other side in the front a couple of years ago, so we finally got around to, last year we just mended the fence over there because it was warped. We have another area that's warped over here that we probably will fix. I don't know if we'll get to it this year. I have to pay off Home Depot. My credit card with them is not maxed out, but its interest rate is so expensive these days. We're trying to keep up with this old homestead. And see, that fence down at the end is fairly new. It's starting to fade, turn gray, but it's fairly new. Okay, look at my herb garden. I'm going to put a few herbs in this, have a lot of flowers, and I think, I'm not sure, but that might be tarragon, Mexican tarragon. And I'm not sure what all that is. Maybe it is too. But I'm going to wait and see what the flowers look like. These are what the flowers look like. And they're very beautiful. Tarragon is similar to daisy, the daisy plant. It's different, that it has the leaves have a healing property within them. So if it is, and I'll find out soon enough. Okay, kids, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.